Hey guys, so today we came out to the sheep this afternoon and we found a baby donkey. Before we show you it and anything like that, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, share with everyone you know, and comment down below. Alright, let's get started.
We gotta get it back to the barn. It's cold out at night here and we're supposed to get rain, so we're taking Emmy's guard donkey out.
Yep.
I think for tonight, we'll be okay. We need to tomorrow morning get another donkey out here. It's Emmy's guard donkey. We're kind of scratching our head. It looks like she's got some sheep that are gonna have some babies here soon too.
I noticed one's putting milk down, so.
We were not expecting this baby. This here was kind of a surprise. When we moved these guys up in here, I said to myself, I'm like, she looks pregnant.
And Pumpkin, can I catch you? Yeah? Okay.
Look at this. Precious, huh? I don't think you've eaten yet.
No.
No.
Alright. Try and put it back.
Oh, is she pretty?
Yeah. It's a girl, so 3 out of 3 so far.
Yep.
Pretty good numbers.
Yep. So, okay, go with mom. Maybe baby will follow.
Hold on. Come on.
Go on. We've been trying to scratch her head. Walker said that Jack got out of his pen one time and he thought that he bred Rosie, but it wasn't Rosie he bred. He bred Cinnamon. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on.
Your donkey.
That's a good girl. I think what we're going to do is we're not going to walk the baby. We'll put the baby in the buggy.
Yeah.
Right. I'm not sure that she's nursed yet.
Well, Mama wants her, so that's a good thing.
It's a good thing, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
She's just a 3-year-old. We were going to wait until she was 4 to breed her.
Which would have been next summer.
Next summer, but things happen. And if anybody's interested in a donkey, a saddle donkey, or a guard donkey, get a hold of us. We got three Jennies here, and we can't keep them all. So we're probably going to sell 2 of them.
Probably, yeah.
We'll probably sell 2 of them. So anybody that's interested in a baby donkey, let us know. We have one right now that we're weaning. She's a in your pocket, in your face type donkey.
Yeah.
She just absolutely loves people.
She's a sweetie. She really
and then we have.
She's brown.
Yeah, she's
The
brown.
same color as this one.
Yeah. So, let's go ahead.
Okay. Can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive.
And then we could put her on Walker's lap because she seems comfortable, and I'll walk with Emmy in case she has trouble with
She's
Cinnamon.
gonna have to walk behind Cinnamon.
Yeah.
Do you want to take this with you?
Sure.
Unless we put the buggy in front of her and see if she'll follow.
Yeah, we could put the baby.
We can try.
We'll still have someone.
I'll still be behind Cinnamon, so I can still keep her moving.
I think if we can.
Okay, you want to hop in here then, bud?
Can you move the thing out of the seat?
Yeah, I'll move the thing out of the seat.
Want me to take that?
Yeah, Emmy can take this.
All right.
Okay, Emmy can take this, and it's recording them.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Hop in there.
So different than a calf, huh, bud?
It's a little different.
Hold
than
on.
trophies. Don't put that out.
Hold
shit
on.
can get caught in.
Here. Hold on, Mama.
Alright, here's Mama. Here's Mama.
Smile. Okay.
Here.
Yeah, she was so calm.
If you guys have never petted a baby donkey,
Hold on.
I highly recommend it.
It's something to put on your bucket list.
They're so soft.
I think this one here.
She doesn't have any front teeth yet.
No, she's got
This one
no
here
teeth
is
yet.
literally a couple hours.
Yep. Okay, let's put her in here.
Alright, where do you want to put her?
Box stall.
Box stall.
Box stall?
Is it clean?
Pretty much,
Pretty
yeah.
much, yeah.
Pretty much. Is it?
Maybe have to look. We can bed it down a little bit.
Do
We
you want to
have
put her
some
in a
loose
cross
stuff.
ties to put the baby on?
Probably. Just make sure the baby's eaten. I don't know if it has or not. She doesn't have any waxing on her teats, so I'm gonna guess that the baby's eaten, but I don't know that for sure. Come on, you know where you're at, honey.
Great, step up. There you go.
In with her.
I'm gonna put
Okay.
one for them to eat, and two I'm gonna use some for eggs.
Yeah, put some bedding down in here.
Position. We're gonna need some water too.
Did you find it? Or how she's acting, I think she's eating.
I think she's eating too. Mom's standing there, so.
There's something.
She is adorable. Yeah, I think she's on.
Yeah, she's on.
That's good. Good.
Very young donkey, she sure is taking care of her good.
Yeah. You know, when we moved him out of the pasture over there, I said to myself, I mean, Cinnamon's getting fat.
That's what I said 2 weeks ago. I was like,
She looked rounder than normal.
yeah, I was like, man, Simon's getting fat.
Yeah, and Emmy looks at me and is like, has she always had an udder like that just a couple days ago?
Did you really?
Yes, and we're thinking, well, she wasn't exposed, so maybe it's just her getting older.
Fat.
I was thinking, well, maybe she's just fat, because Penny looks a little bit like that.
hope that
Maybe not just as
wasn't exposed as well.
Yeah, Rosie will be having baby here pretty soon, so you're going to need to check her.
I don't think she's putting milk down.
Well, you need to check
Still
her.
keep an eye on her because she doesn't. Last time she didn't.
Yeah, because Jack did get out, and she.
Walker said he thought that she might have.
Oh, this pitch was getting loose.
Guys, I don't need any more.
What about feed?
They have feed in there.
Put more.
I put in stuff to Sophie all the time. Do you want more in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, grain would be nice. I can actually hear what you're saying. Cinnamon, grain would be nice. I just put that in there.
some more in here.
That's the green area.
Yep, the baby ate.
I think it's already eaten, probably. You better get her in before she does that milk nap thing. Alright, come on.
That only took 20 minutes.
I didn't expect it to take too long. Emmy's been working with Cinnamon. She's
I've been
really
working
got
with
her.
mounters out there. Sorry, Walker.
Just pick her up, bud. Don't fight with her.
I think it's a baby donkey thing.
It's a cement thing.
I think it's a donkey thing.
Hold on, wait. Let me get your head still. Go ahead.
I think it's just a donkey thing to not go anywhere unless you.
Did you give her green?
Yes.
Okay,
She's drank.
good. She's eating. That's good. She's gonna probably need. Yeah, she's fine. Okay. All right, we're gonna run Jack out. You want it? Let's do it now and be done with it.
Her back fence is still set, so just put him
Put
in
it
there.
behind it, yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. But we decided to take Jack out.
I'll take Walker's buggy and go check cows.
Okay, you going with Mom, Em?
No, she's going.
Always something on the farm. This here was a good one, though. Something good happened. Unfortunately, a lot of times, when something happens on the farm, it usually ends up being a negative experience. A lot of times. So I'm pretty happy. We had our field day and it was amazing. Had some really good folks here. Did a great job setting it up and all that. So if anybody that had been to the field day, I appreciate the attendance and everyone that has everyone that took the time to set it up. Those things are very, very, a lot of work, a lot of money, so I'm very appreciative to that. We're gonna run him out, get him in behind the sheep. I'm just not comfortable. I am just not comfortable not having a baby or having not having a guardian along there. It's a good girl, Cinnamon. Take good care of that baby. So, we're gonna trailer trot Jack. He usually trailer trots pretty good.
Hope they didn't. I didn't want to even run out.
You ready?
Yep. Yeah, they made it hot again.
Being that we don't have a guard animal, everybody's got babies now. We're just putting Jack in behind the sheep. Just his presence. There's where she had it.
Yep.
And there's where she had it. Just the presence of the donkey will take care of any predation that we may have. So
Jack. You want me to leave his halter on or take it off?
hey, you can catch him anywhere.
Unless there are girls in here. Then you have to be a bit careful.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he'll go. Because if the girl and he's right behind you, you're just gonna be a necessary casualty to go straight to her and not go around.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for going along with us today. And a pleasant surprise on the farm. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. See you on the next video.
See ya.